Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. It's pun art time, and today we're going to be drawing a couple of avocados because I want you to know that Avo always love you. Get it? I really hope you love this drawing, this pun art to celebrate someone that you love for Valentine's or any time, right? And the reason I love avocados, drawing avocados, is actually because of the colors, the greens, which is my favorite color. It's just all the different hues of greens, and putting it together just looks so yummy and pretty. But before we get started, there was a little avocado joke that I wanted to tell you that I thought was really cute. So here we go. What did the optimistic avocado say to the pessimistic avocado? Well, I'll tell you the answer at the end of the drawing. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw this sweet avocado, let's first start by drawing a curve right here for the top of the head. So I'm going to come right here, and just remember that this curve is going to be at a slight slant because the avocado is kind of leaning towards the center. So I'm just going to draw a curve right about here, just kind of slants down, and then from there I'm going to start to draw this kind of pear shape, right? Avocado shape. So I'm going to bring this down, and about right there I'll come out a little bit and make the bottom bigger and rounder and bring it in. And right here I'm just going to go ahead and connect with a big curve. There, so I have one avocado in. Now to draw the other one. So I'm going to come right next to it. So say about right here, I'm going to draw another curve. A nice thing about avocados, there's so many different kinds and so many different shapes that it can't go wrong. So I'm going to come right here and just join them together, make sure they touch, and then out. So same thing on the other side. You just want the top smaller and then the bottom wider, and connect. And about the same level, so about right here. There, so we have our two avocados in. Well, actually it's one, right? That's split in half. Okay, so then from there, let's come into this area and add a slant. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve for some very happy eyes and thicken it up. Come right across about right here. And do the same thing. So just make sure it's at a slant. And then I'm going to come above each eye and draw a soft curve right there. And then let's give this avocado some kissy puckery lips. So just like drawing a 3 right there for some lips. Then let's come to this area right here in the center, and right here and down. Give myself 2 points, and I'm going to draw a heart for the seed. If you don't like a heart, just make it round, make it a circle. Since this is Valentine's inspired, I thought we should put a heart, right? So from there, let's draw the other one. So same thing, right by here, I'm going to draw a circle instead for the eyes. So small little circle, come right across about right here, and draw another circle. And I'll give it a little highlight and shade everything else in. And same thing here. And a big sweet smile, so right here in the center, and cap it off. And then above each eye, just draw a soft curve. And once again, we're going to draw another heart right in the center. So about right here and here. And give myself a big curve. And in, and same thing on the other side. And in. There. From there, let's draw. We're pretty much done, but let's make it even sweeter, right? So right in the center, I'm going to draw another heart right in between them. There. And I'm going to go ahead and just write the pun really quickly. So it's Avo always love you. So I'll start by right here underneath the avocado. on the sidebar right here. And I'm just going to quickly write AVO. Avo, always love you. So let's go. A-Y-S. Love. Oops, I'm going up. Love. So I only have L-O-V-E. So just kind of keep that in mind as you go across. And if you have too much space or too little space, you just kind of adjust. So Y right underneath. There. Kind of, right? So we kind of made it. So we can make this part a little bit thicker when you come out. And that is pretty much it. So I'm gonna come in here and just spruce up my letters now that I have it all in. So this is where I make adjustments if I need to be thicker or thinner. So like right here, there's more space. I can make this part thicker to fill it in. It really doesn't matter. It just makes it a lot easier to write. To bring this down. So like right here, I kind of went wobbly, so you can always just fix it. Just make the W come down lower, make the A come down lower, and make the S lower at the bottom. There, so now it's fixed, right? So hopefully that's an easy and good tip for you when you're doing your letterings. So L-O-V, bring this in. And Y, so let's spruce up this Y, make this part thicker since we have more space there. Y and U. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this pun art turned out, and I made this fun and easy for you to follow along. And before I go, the answer to our joke today, which was what did the optimistic, so positive, avocado say to the pessimistic, which is negative, avocado. The positive avocado said, "Hey, it's avocado, not avocado, don't." Get it? So do, don't. I thought that was pretty cute. Hopefully you got that and that you like this joke. My really cheesy bad jokes, but I thought it was just really cute. So if you love the joke and the drawing, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.